The most easy to follow recipes, you will find them here. Today we're gonna be cooking some shrimp tacos. I'm gonna be showing you how to make grilled, like a low carb shrimp taco, and I'm gonna show you how to make like a more high carb fried breaded shrimp tacos. So there's gonna be two ways in how you can cook them. To be honest, I really enjoy both, but if you wanna stay a little bit more healthy, you can go ahead and try the grilled recipe. Now, if you want to learn how to make this creamy chipotle salsa, I'm going to go ahead and you can click here and they will take you to the video where I will show you how to make this salsa. It's a really fast video so you can learn and how to make it, because I didn't want to add it here and then for the video to be extremely long. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. Let me go ahead and show you the ingredients and what we're going to use to bread our shrimp. So I'm going to go ahead and use eggs, 1 egg. Now I have my 4 condiments here that I'm gonna be using. So first we're gonna go ahead and add some garlic powder. That's about a teaspoon of garlic powder. Then we're gonna go ahead and add some ground pepper. Oh my God, guys, sorry, this was cumin. Oh! That's fine. And I confused it because they look so similar. Oh no. Okay, now we're gonna add the pepper. And we're gonna go ahead and add the salt now. And now we're gonna mix it. We're gonna go ahead and put this to the side. You guys know that every time I bread something, I use saladitas. We're gonna go ahead, also need a big Ziploc bag and our rolling pin. I'm gonna go ahead and put all the salt crackers in here. So I'll be back. All right, so I have all my salt crackers in here. We're gonna go ahead and crush all our salt crackers. So here are our crushed crackers. Here we have our salt crackers, crushed salt crackers, and we have our egg. I'm gonna go ahead and be using this cooked jumbo shrimp. I'm gonna go ahead and start breading my shrimp. So I have my shrimp here. What I'm gonna do is, wait, let's take off the tail. There you go. I'm gonna pass it through the egg mixture, these slits, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pass it through the crackers. And then we have 1 breaded shrimp. So here is my breaded shrimp. These are gonna be for Jorge's shrimp tacos. Go ahead and prepare my grilled shrimp now. So I have chili powder. I have cayenne, I don't know how to say that, cayenne pepper. I have salt, and I have pepper. My shrimp, I'm gonna remove the tails. I don't know, I thought it was helpful. This bag that I use to crush the crackers, I always use it like as a little trash can here when I'm cooking. So I double use it. I'm also gonna be using some extra virgin olive oil. And I'm gonna go ahead and mix them up with the oil. I'm gonna go ahead and add first, it doesn't matter what you add first. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt. I'm gonna add the pepper. This one is spicy, so if you don't like spicy, do not add this one. Let's add the chili powder. What I'm gonna do is try to blacken the shrimp. Usually, it's to blacken the shrimp, you would do it on the grill, but I'm gonna go ahead and just start right now, and I'm like, why don't I try it on my air fryer? So I'm gonna go ahead and mix that up. I swear, guys, I use this air fryer every day. I used it this morning. So I bought these at Temu. I'm gonna go ahead and put my shrimp in the air fryer. Oh my God, I left some with tails. All right, we're gonna go ahead and grab our pan and start frying our breaded shrimp. I'm gonna add oil, and this is why I'm eating my shrimp on the air fryer. I'm gonna add my shrimp now. Now remember, they don't have to be here so long because the shrimp is already cooked. So we're just cooking the cracker, that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and leave them for 3 more minutes here. All right, so they're ready. At this point, guys, you can even add buffalo sauce and there'll be buffalo shrimp and they taste amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting ready our ingredients. So we're gonna need tomato, if you don't like onion, you don't have to put onion, but me and Jorge do like it. Some lime, some fresh cilantro. We're gonna need some shredded cabbage. Oh my goodness, ya hice un mugrero. Some shredded cabbage. We are gonna use some avocado. These are our toppings that we will be using for our shrimp tacos. And we're gonna go ahead and warm up our tortillas. I'm just using white corn tortillas. So this is what the low carb tacos, shrimp tacos look like. They are super good, guys. If you're on a diet or you want to start eating more healthy, this. So I have my 2 type of tacos. Oh, how cute, look. You got your 2 options. All right, guys, so now it's the time to taste them. Let's go ahead and taste them. I'm probably all dirty. No, guys, ¿sabe? It tastes super good. Now I want to finish the taco. That salsa, guys, is the best. Like, I even feel a little bit like, how do you say it, envidiosa to share it. It's super good. Go ahead and try them, guys. They are super, super good. All the flavors mixed together, no hombre. And then that breaded shrimp with the saladitas. I promise you, it's really, really good. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope it was very helpful. It was detailed. Remember, if you have any suggestions in how I can change my video better where it can help you out, just go ahead and leave it in the comments down below. Share it with your family, your friends. And if you go ahead and remake them, don't forget to add me on Instagram. And I'll go ahead and leave it here. Add me and tag me so I can see what you guys created. All right, guys, thank you so much for always watching. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.